In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk clone issues in Jira using your Chrome browser. This is a method that can really enhance your workflow and save you a lot of time if you find yourself needing to replicate tasks within your Jira projects. Let's dive into the details of how you can effectively clone multiple issues at once. To get started, head over to your Jira project. Once there, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the page. Click on it and select Advanced Issue Search. This feature is a powerful tool that helps you filter through all your tasks quickly and efficiently. It's key to being able to locate precisely the issues you seek to clone and ensures you're duplicating exactly what you need. Next, you'll want to customize your filters. You can fine-tune your search by project, assignee, status, and various other parameters. The filters allow you to hone in on specific issues that meet your criteria, making them easier to manage during the cloning process. When your list of issues is ready and you have them on your screen, you'll want to look for the Tools menu, which you might see represented by 3 dots or an option titled More. Click this and then choose Bulk Change. You should see a number reflecting how many issues you currently have selected. This option is crucial as it enables you to perform actions on multiple items simultaneously rather than one at a time. Now it's time to select the specific issues you wish to clone from your filtered list. Once selected, navigate to your bulk options and opt for Clone Issues. This will lead you to a page where you can decide on a few settings to tailor your cloned items. There are several options here, including setting a prefix for the summary, deciding whether to retain links between items, and choosing to include attachments and subtasks in your new cloned issues. These settings depend greatly on your needs and can be adjusted to align perfectly with the way you want the cloned issues to appear and function within your project. After you've reviewed and set your cloning preferences, it's time to confirm your choices. Simply click Confirm and let Jira work its magic. It will proceed to create duplicates of all the selected tickets based on the settings you've configured. This automation makes your project management tasks less cumbersome and frees up your time to focus on more strategic aspects of your work. By following these steps, you'll find bulk cloning in Jira is not just straightforward, but incredibly effective. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your project management process and get the most out of Jira. Thanks for watching and happy cloning.